Former dump truck driver accused of killing 4 linemen in a crash in Eden almost a year ago has died in prison.
On April 24th, 2025, Douglas Garland Sides, Madison Carter, William Evans, and Matthew Lockwood died in that crash. Michael Vernon was charged with murder in their deaths.
WXI 12's Sarah Sowers explains what happens now.
The state's Department of Adult Corrections says that Vernon's death was not surprising and that he died of natural causes, so they won't be investigating. A triad attorney I spoke with says that there are still avenues for justice, this time on the civil side, to hold parties liable.
At this time, there's a lot of questions without a lot of answers.
A big question remains. What happens now that Michael Vernon, the man at the center of the criminal case, has died? Triad attorney David Daggett weighs in.
The biggest and most complicating part is there's governmental immunity.
Vernon was charged with 4 counts of second-degree murder at his last court appearance in January for the deadly April crash. Vernon was driving a City of Eden dump truck when he hit the lineman and was charged for driving without a valid commercial driver's license as well. Daggett says it's not common for a suspect to die in prison, but that doesn't mean justice is lost.
Cases like this also have a civil side. So they lost 4 loved ones. They lost the income from those loved ones. They lost the companionship, care, affection, and everything that makes them a father, son.
As for what comes next, he says there are lots of possibilities. Compensation from Vernon's estate or even the insurance companies behind the vehicles involved in the crash, including the power company that the lineman worked for, are just one place to start.
Each of the 4 workers would be covered by workers' compensation coverage. That would be through their employer. So, for example, the insurance that was on the utility trucks that were on the scene could have some provisions and some coverage that would provide coverage to the families of the deceased.
The discussion of holding the City of Eden officials accountable that allowed Vernon to operate the truck also comes into question.
It appears to me that there could be some claims for gross negligence on the city officials.
I've reached out to family members of the victims as well as their attorneys to see what their next steps might be. For WXII, I'm Sarah Sowers.